Cultural festivals in Puducherry also feature folk dances like the Garadi dance.
The town is divided into French and Tamil quarters. You'll see colorful buildings, heritage villas, and beautiful streets and churches built in the 17th and 18th century. For example, the Église de Notre Dame des Anges, the Our Ladies of Angels Church in Puducherry. The first presence of Franciscan Capuchins in India took place in Puducherry. Capuchin monks were sent there as chaplains to the French East India Company. Immaculate Conception Cathedral. This church is often considered the Notre Dame of Puducherry because of its elegance and long history, the French influence. The Sacred Heart Basilica. Basilica of Sacred Heart of Jesus for the Catholic Diocese was consecrated in 1907. It was elevated to the status of Basilica in 2011 by Pope Benedict XVI.
Other outstanding architectural places in Puducherry are the Arulmigu Manakola Vinayagar Temple, over 500 years old.